you how to use developer options in your mobile and tab. First, you need to open your settings. For it, if you don't have developer options, don't worry. Open your info at the bottom and tap on build number 5 to 6 times and you will be developer. The developer options will be up on the info. Now you can see there are many options, but there are many good options here to help you a lot. Let me show you that. Like at the bottom, you can see don't keep activities. As soon as you enable it, you have got a feature that is called background process limit. It is a feature that shows you that at the time how much processes can your CPU can take. I've set it to 3 processes. If my CPU take 5 to 6 processes, it will automatically kill or destroy the activity as soon you leave the app. And it is very helpful to save battery. Now there is also very good feature to make your phone fast. As you can see, your window animation scale. In this scale, your animation between scales animator will be changed. Now I can show you I've fixed all them at 5. So as you can see how slow the animations are. As you can see, let me show you. You can see how slowly it go back. As you can see. But if you use it, your mobile will take 10 years to work. So I suggest you to put it on 0.5x, all of them, because it will give you the animation very slightly, and as you can see, the changing between the apps and the screens is so nasty. You can see so fast. There is also a good feature in this that show touches. If you do the on-screen recordings like me and upload videos, it will also help you a lot, because as you can see, I'm tapping anywhere on the screen and it is getting circles. This is a good feature when you have to record on screen. There is also a feature at the bottom in the developer options. I can find, show CPU usage. As you can see, now you can see at the top, the right side of the screen, how much load your CPU is taking. Okay, and in my suggestion, when you're not using developer options, keep them back off. And yes, listen, it is 100% safe to use them. It will not harm your systems. So goodbye, and please subscribe and hit likes to get more exclusive videos, and please watch my previous videos how to root any mobile and can root KitKat also, and how to change from King Root to Super C. Thanks for watching.